everybody. My name's Rob Anderson. I'm a magician right here in Las Vegas, on the Las Vegas Strip, and I'm here with my new friends. I just met Emily and Steven, and they were out here on a date tonight, I think. So I stopped them to show them a little bit of magic. You guys, you have the roses. Looks like it's a date night, yeah?
Yeah, absolutely.
Very cool,
Yeah.
very cool. My specialty actually is romantic magic, so that works well. If you were just like, you know, friends, it'd be a little awkward, but this is going to be great. How long?
It was the roses, wasn't it?
It was the roses.
It was the roses. Yeah.
It was the roses.
Yeah.
How long have you guys been dating?
Over a year.
Very cool. It's a good amount of time to be together. So about a year or so ago, you guys went on some of your first dates and you got to know each other, realized you liked each other, held hands. I want to take you back to that with our first trick, when you're first holding hands, getting to know each other. Steven, could you hold a hand out here towards Emily? Emily, I'm going to hand a card to him here. I'm going to need your hand. You're going to hold hands for this one. I'm going to take the 10 of clubs there, hand it to Steven. Emily, could you please place your hand on top of that for me? So you're holding hands. Perfect. Remember those first dates, getting to know each other?
Yeah.
I got the Ace of Hearts. I think the heart's better for you two to have. Represents love. We're talking about love tonight. I want you to tell me, did you feel that?
Yeah.
Did you feel that? You felt some love on your first dates, yeah? Did you feel that? Look. Look at your card. The heart's better for you. Yeah. Thank you.
Wow. That's incredible.
Thank you very much. It's good for you two to have the heart. Well, I made a prediction. I made a prediction about meeting a very compatible couple tonight, and I think you'll both work great at this. I actually took 4 cards. They're actually the queens. I'm going to show you in a second. I took the queens here. I have 4 queens in my hand. I made a prediction on one, and I don't want you to think this is sleight of hand or anything. So Emily, could you hold a hand out and cup these cards just like I have them right here? I'm going to hand them to you. Freeze, just like that. You're holding 4 queens. Again, there's something special I did with one. I made a prediction. Steven, your part is first. This is a 2-part trick having to do with your compatibility. Emily, Steven just chose red cards. You can keep either one of those. This is your part. Would you like to keep the heart or the diamond? Those are the red ones. Heart or diamond?
Diamonds.
Diamonds. Okay.
Little girl don't like diamonds.
I don't know if that's a hint, Steven, but it's been a year. I made a prediction. No pressure. I made a prediction, actually. I thought you two would want the diamond. That's why I turned the diamond up in there, and only the diamond. That's the only one I turned up and predicted ahead of time for you.
Nice.
I actually took it out of a totally different deck of cards. That's how sure I was of what you would choose. And I was so sure you'd be so compatible and would both wind up at the diamond. I didn't bother bringing any other cards at all, actually.
Nice.
Thank you. Well, let's talk about, we talked about the queens. She would be your queen tonight if we were talking about queens.
Absolutely.
Let's talk about the king for just a second. I don't know if you guys call each other king and queen or anything, but
She's princess.
she's princess. Okay, that works. I was gonna say, you know, you got this beautiful view of Bellagio. You're the
Absolutely.
beautiful lady. You should feel like a king or prince. But kings work for this because
work, yeah.
we're gonna do a card trick with the kings. Just Steven, since this trick's all about you, I want you to reach down inside this deck of cards.
Okay.
Take out any one you'd like. Memorize it. Show it to Emily. Show it to the camera. Don't show me. And then say stop anywhere you want. Just say stop anywhere.
Stop.
Right there. Put it back on top. Look, I don't know what your card is. I don't know where it is. I do know it's somewhere near the middle. Imagine if I could reach in here, take out one card, turn it upside down, put it back in. That would mean there's an upside down card in this pack of cards right now.
Right.
If I could really do that, Steven, that upside down card in that pack of cards would be the 5 of spades. That was not his card. Cool, great. Well, we're gonna edit that out. Or I could think of something.
Yeah.
The 5 of spades, we're gonna call it an indicator card. Just indicates I was wrong. That's all it indicates. But it should also indicate if we go down 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 cards, we should come to the 9 of diamonds. Woo!
Nice. Well played.
That's not the cool part though, thank you. I told you this trick was all about you.
Yeah,
You'd
yeah,
be our
okay.
king tonight.
All right.
I wish there were princes in a deck of cards, but we only had kings, so that's why this trick was all about Steven here with his queen tonight.
Really? Wow.
Or the prince with this princess, either
What?
one. I want you both to focus on a special memory you've made together. Just think about a happy time you shared. Don't tell me what it is, and I'm not going to try to figure it out or say it. Just think about a time you both felt happy, because sometimes when people are connected by happy memories, they can almost develop like a sixth sense, like one person experiences something and the other person knows about it. And I don't know if you guys have ever felt this way, but I want to try to make it happen for you tonight. Your eyes will stay open, Emily. Steven, I want you to relax as you focus on this memory and close your eyes. Perfect. Your eyes will stay open, Emily. Nothing weird's going to happen. I'm just going to try to do a little energy transfer here. We're going to try to take a little bit of energy here from where Steven's at. We're going to take it and we're going to move it over to here. I know it seems weird. Nothing weird happened yet, though. That's all there is to it. One more time, just with the eyes closed, we're just going to take a little bit of the energy right here, happy memory energy, and we're going to place it right over here. Paying attention to everything you hear and feel. We're going to do this. Open your eyes, Steven. I want you to be honest. I know that was weird, but you didn't peek, did you?
No.
I want you to be honest. While your eyes were closed, did you feel anything touch you?
I did, actually.
You did feel something touch you, just a little bit.
I like
Where?
it right there. Yeah.
On your nose?
Yeah.
Did I touch him? But you felt something touch
I did.
Where-
really
where-
did. I'm
where
not
did I touch
lying.
you?
I did, honestly.
on your
Yeah,
nose,
like right
and
there.
you felt it.
Right there, yeah. I did, yeah.
I don't know what that memory was, but I think we just created a little sixth sense between you guys.
She
Go
played
home
a
and-
sixth sense, but I haven't.
Later
I'm not
on,
lying, I really did. I was like, oh, he hit me with his ring or something. No, I don't know what that was.
I'm glad that worked. Later on, tell each other the memory, because it's obviously a very special memory you've shared. Emily, maybe there's a gift you would like to receive tonight from Steven. I'm going to make a little pouch here.
Okay.
And what we're going to do is we're going to imagine a gift, anything at all. Anything that you'd like to give to Emily. Steven, I'd like you to hold out, you right-handed?
Yeah.
Hold out your right hand there. I'd like you to slip it down inside this empty pouch there. And empty, yes?
Yeah. There's nothing here.
Turn your hand, palm up, and imagine a gift, anything at all, right here. And I'd like you to imagine a gift you'd like to receive. Imagine it right here, appearing here. Ready?
Yeah.
I think you'll know what to do with that.
Will you marry me? Yes. You're beautiful, Brian. I love you.